Qu'est-ce que c'est, Mademoiselle Chanel? Qu'est-ce qui se passe? Oh. Come on, Dad. Come on, Dad. Here. There I go. Up the tree, back down the tree. She's taking a breather. All tuckered out, are you? Oh, I guess not. Here we go. She likes it when the wind blows and the leaves and stuff and the grass all moves. Should have seen her yesterday in the flower garden. She thought she was in a jungle. All those plants all around her. Didn't ya? You like the garden? Which way are we going? We going home or are we going back this way?
This way. You guys can sit on the bench like with the car.
Oh, let's go sit on the bench. Nope, Dad, we gotta go this way. We're not to the cul-de-sac yet, Dad. Come on, Dad. Come on, Dad, let's run. What did you do? Oh, no, Mom. I don't think I can get out. Coco, you better come over there. Or you better get her. I don't know what's in there. I ain't sticking my hands in there. Snakes or fucking lizards or God knows what. Oh, I can see her little face. That was something else now, wasn't it? Okay, off we go again. Well, it'll do for a few days. Oh, there's your tree. There's your bumpy tree. Oh, I gotta stop and wash my face a little bit. Did you get it? Nope.